I love candles. I use them every day for meditating. I use them almost every day when I take a bath. And basically, if you live in South Africa, you're gonna need a candle. You're going to need candles because of load shedding. So, which is what has inspired today's video. Candle making has been a very interesting journey, I must say, which led to a lot of research. And thank you to our sponsors for today's video, Soy Candles Supply. They have provided me with everything I need to make a candle, as well as, most importantly, a candle making class that I didn't know I needed. So thank you to SA Candle Supply. I will be leaving the link to their website on the description box below, and they provide basically from anything to everything to do with candles, candle supplies, candle making supplies. They also offer classes for candle making. So I'll leave the link in the description box below. Let's make a candle. Because I don't have a melting pot, I'm going to be using the double boiler method, using my pot and my stainless steel jug. Pay attention to your heat, because excessive heat could cause the water to boil into your wax as well as burning your wax. Grab your infrared thermometer and make sure that the heat is not too high. While we wait for our wax to melt, we're just going to prepare our jars in the meantime and put our wicks. So make sure that you measure the diameter of your jar using a ruler. And then I'm going to take this chart that I got off SA Candle Supply's website. You can also get it from there. And then I'm going to be double wicking the first jar using a 12 Stabilo wick. On hindsight, it would have been more beneficial to remove the top of the pan to better place the wick in the center of the jar. It is very important that you find the right size wick for your jars, because the wick size determines your candle, how it's going to burn, as well as the fragrance throw. The wrong size could result in mushrooming of your candle, as well as creating a hole in the center of your candle.
These are the 4 jars I chose for this video. There are a lot more ranges at Soy Candles Supply in different colors, shapes, and sizes. Now, to hold up our wicks, you could use a wick holder if you've got one, but if you don't, that's okay. You can still use your skewers as well as your packs. So I'm going to let my wax cool down now to at least 75 to 76 degrees Celsius before adding my fragrances. I'm going to be using the Dark and Handsome fragrance. See what I did there? And I'm going to be using 8%. Soy wax can take up to 10% of fragrance, and I'm going to be using 8%. I will also be leaving the formula to calculating your fragrance percentage in the description box below. After adding your fragrance, allow your wax to cool down to at least 70 degrees Celsius before you pour into your jars. Make sure to fill your jug to 2 centimeters below the maximum filling line to leave room for the top up. Leave enough wax in the jug for your second pour. So this was after letting my candles set for 12 hours. As you can see, they're not really perfect. Some of them, they are not really even, which is why we're going to do a second pour. So a second pour is going to make it nice and smooth and even at the top. On your second pour, make sure that you leave about 1 centimeters to 2 centimeters from the top of the jar, depending on the jar lid. So I let my candles cure for 24 hours, and this was the final product after 24 hours. And now we're just going to trim down the wick to at least 1 centimeters.